Hi guys, I've got quite a backlog of charity shop items to get through, but I'm leaving them at the moment because I'm trying to do all my holiday video editing first. But I've picked this one up today, today being Saturday the 21st of July in Keynsham, because it's a radio controlled tractor, digger, what do you want to call it? Cost me £2 and it doesn't come with a transmitter. 27 megahertz, so I thought it'd be worth a try anyway. If it does work, it'll be fun. I suspect it's one of those ones that needs a special transmitter because it's obviously got something to operate this bit at the front, the bucket. And most cheap toy grade radio control only have forwards, backwards, left and right, so we need an extra button to operate the bucket. Anyway, it's switched on at the moment, so I guess there's probably no batteries in it. Where do the batteries go? In there, I reckon. So I'll get a screwdriver and see if we can get some batteries in it. Well, that's a good start. The battery compartment's nice and clean. 3 AAA batteries. Okay. But it's not matching with my 27 megahertz transmitters. Okay, usual story, I'll have to go and get my bag full of transmitters and see if we've got any that match with it. Well, another frustrating session. These are all 27 megahertz transmitters, various different manufacturers, and not a complete failure, but enough of a failure to make it a waste of time buying the little tractor or digger. None of them talk to it except for this one, which you should be able to use it a bit like a joystick, push it forwards and backwards for forwards and backwards, and then turn it like that for left and right. Those functions don't work, but the turbo and voice, which should make your whatever he is, Lightning McQueen, talk and go faster, actually operate the whatever we call this bit, the digger. So that is frustrating. It doesn't make it go forwards and backwards, but it does operate, I've forgotten what they're called, shovel, isn't it? They call it the shovel, don't they? That's as far as it can go. Press the other button. So how frustrating is that? We've got one that nearly works. I did one the other day where I had to use 2 separate controllers, one for the forwards backwards and one for the left right. But this one we can't get to go forwards and backwards, or left and right, but we can operate the shovel. What a shame. I guess I'll just have to stick it in the pile of toys and just see if we do come across the right transmitter at some time. Made in China, but no manufacturer details on it. I could take it apart and have a look what chip is on the receiver, but I don't think I'll do that at the moment. We'll keep this short and sweet, and if I ever come across a suitable transmitter for it, we'll have another video. And all we're going to have in there is a motor that's driving some gears to make this lift up and down, and then we'll have the normal steering motor and drive motor in there. So, what a shame. But I will keep it, I think, just in case.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.